Today we'll be going over The Secret Garden, Vocabulary and Story Elements, Chapter 17. In the middle of the night, Colin screamed, and the nurse could not calm him. Mary was called to Colin's room. She ran in and yelled, "Stop it!" Colin said he could not stop because he had a lump on his back and was going to die. Colin feared dying. Did Colin think he was going to die? Yes or no? Yes. Colin thought he was going to die. The nurse checked Colin's back and found no lumps. Colin asked, "You mean I'm going to live?" Mary said he probably would if he learned to control his temper and got some fresh air. She sent the nurse out of the room and sang Colin to sleep. Colin feared dying. Did Mary sing Colin to sleep? Yes or no? Yes, Mary sang Colin to sleep. Let's go over our story elements. This was a short chapter. Do you know the 3 characters that came out? Yes, Mary was one of our characters. Do you know another character? Yeah, Colin was another character in this chapter. Do you know the last character? Yeah, the nurse that was taking care of Colin was the last character. So, do you know the setting of this chapter? Yes, the manor in England. The story is still taking place at the manor in England. Do you know the problem of this chapter? Yes, Colin feared dying. Colin was scared that he was sick and was going to die. Do you know the solution? Yes, Mary sang Colin to sleep. That's all for today. Until next time. Don't forget to do your exit ticket.